Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Taylor from Tabor.com and I'm super excited. I'm starting a YouTube channel and today we're going to get started with making our own candles. It's super easy, it doesn't take much time at all, and it's just a fun project to do at home, and you can give it away to friends. So let's get started. So first we're going to start off, I have about 4 cups of soy wax that is just kind of broken down into little chips, and you can pick this up at Michael's. That's where I got mine. It's super cheap. I think it's like $10 for a bag. So I just poured it into a 4-cup why can't I think of the word? A 4-cup container, and I am actually going to melt this up in the microwave. You can do it over a double boiler, but a microwave is just the easiest way to go. So I'm going to put that in right now. Okay, so I just grabbed my hot wax out of the microwave, and now I'm going to go ahead and pour it into the different containers. As you can see here, I kind of already have this one poured and the wick in, so you can see what that looks like. I'm using pencils just to hold it in place so the wick doesn't get wobbly. This one, the wax is not poured yet, so I'll do that for you. I'll do that now. And I poured just some essential oil for the scent of the candle. I have different ones here, but I just decided to do one mixture. It's lavender and tea tree, just kind of calming, and I love that scent. So you want to go ahead and just pour it right in. And just let that harden. One step that I didn't show you, I kind of skipped over there, is putting the wick in. So you want to just dip it in the hot wax, and then you want to make sure you have like a nice layer on the bottom. What I did with these ones is actually poured just a little bit on the bottom so it had something to harden to, and then just went ahead and set that in there like so. And then I grabbed my pencils that I have taped together, and you'll want to just kind of run the wick through the pencil. Make sure it's nice and straight, and then press that down at the bottom like so. And then just let that sit and let it harden. And these are just solidifying up, so those should be done pretty quickly, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so I've been waiting for a bit, and my candles are finally hard, so now it's just time to trim down the wicks. With a wick, singular. I just put my scissors kind of flush with the container, and then just slowly snip that off. And then the same thing over here. As you can see, this one I already did. And then you can close them up. There is kind of a little bit of wax because I spilled a little bit on some of these, so you can just grab a paper towel and kind of brush that off. It should come right off because it's hardened. And there you have it, just a cute little candle, and I have to tell you, they smell amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will try some homemade candles of your own. If you do, make sure to tag me on Instagram at Tabor, or comment below and let me know. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.